Sri Kurbhyo Namaha, Sri Aranjan Group of Schools. Welcome to our online learning initiative, Ekalaiva. Today, we are going to discuss about microscope slide, cover slip, dry mount, wet mount, strain mount, and smear. Let us learn about the microscope and its mechanical parts. A microscopy is an instrument used to see objects that are too small for the naked eye. The science of investigating small objects using such an instrument is called microscopy. Microscopic means invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. Let us discuss about the mechanical parts of microscope. Base, bottommost portion that supports the entire parts. Pillar, part above the base that supports the other parts. Inclination joint allows for tilting of the microscope for convenience of the user. Arm or neck, curved or slanted part which is held while carrying the microscope. Stage, platform where object to be examined is placed. Stage clip, secure the specimen to the stage. Body tube, attached to the arm and bears the lenses. Draw tube, cylindrical structure on the top of the body tube that holds the ocular lenses. Coarse adjustment knob, gear to the body tube which elevates air lower when rotated, bringing the object into the approximate focus. Fine adjustment knob, a smaller knob for delicate focusing, bringing the object into perfect focus. Mirror, located beneath the stage and has concave and plane surface together and direct light in order to illuminate the object. Electric lamp, a built-in illuminator beneath the stage that may be used if the sunlight is not preferred or is not available. Ocular or eyepiece, another set of lens found on the top of the body which function to further magnify the image produced by the objective lenses. It is usually range from 5x to 15x. That's all about the microscope and its mechanical parts. Let us discuss about mounting. The process of arranging an object or specimen on a slide is called mounting. Microscopic slide. It will be rectangular piece of glass or plastic with dimension 1:3, thickness of 1 millimeter. Cover slip. A cover slip is a thin, square or circular piece of glass. It secures the specimen on the slide and also prevent the microscope lens from the specimen from contamination. It's stored in slide case or folders. Let us discuss about different method used to prepare a slide for viewing are dry mount, wet mount, strain mount and smear. Dry mount. This method is to prepare slide that do not require water. Slide for absorbing pollen, air and feathers. Non-living thing plant material are preparing use this method. It has two disadvantages. First one, the slide prepared is temporary and the specimen cannot be studied in detail. Let us discuss about the preparation of dry mount. To prepare a dry mount, arrange a slide on a flat surface. Place a thin layer of the specimen on the center of the slide. Place a cover slip slowly on the top of the specimen and view under the microscope. Wet mount. This method is used to prepare specimen that required water. Example, amoeba and paramecium. Body fluids such as saliva, blood or urine. To prepare a wet mount, arrange a slide on a flat surface. Place a drop of water on the center of the slide using dropper. Add the specimen to the dropper of water. Slowly lower the cover slip with one edge, touching the slide so that the water is evenly spreaded out along the edge and then under the cover slip. Remove air bubbles by pressing down on the cover slip. Add a drop of water at the edge of the cover slip if there are dry places under the cover slip. Remove the excess of water by touching a paper towel to the edge of the cover slip and view under the microscope. Strain mount. This method required use of stain such as iodine, methylene blue, Usen, white and gram strain. It helps to identify different types of cells, highlighted the different structure. To stain mount the specimen, prepare a wet mount, then put a drop of stain on the out edge of the cover slip using a dropper. Remove the excess stain using a paper towel and view under the microscope. Smear. This method requires smearing a thin layer of the specimen, microorganism in pond water. To prepare a smear mount, drop a liquid sample onto a slide. Slowly smear the sample using the forceps to make a thin. Let the smear dry if a strain is to be used and follow the procedure for strain mount. Place the cover slip over the smear. Remove the excess of liquid using a paper towel and view under the microscope. Let us discuss about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. There are two broad categories of cells. One is prokaryotic cell, another one is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, it lacks a true nucleus, well-defined membrane-bound nucleus, any membrane-bound cell organelle. The genetic material are found in the cytoplasm. Are not enclosed by nuclear membrane. All bacterial and cyanobacterial cells are prokaryotic cells. Organism made up of prokaryotic cells, single cell organisms, some are multicellular organisms. Example, bacteria, blue-green algae. Now we'll discuss about eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, cells that contain well-defined double membrane bounded nucleus along with other membrane bounded cell organelles are called eukaryotic cell. Genetic material in the form of chromatin thread, nuclear membrane forming the nucleus. Cells are larger, more organized and more efficient. Eukaryotic cells are found in fungi, plants, animals and human beings. Organisms which are made up of eukaryotic cells are multicellular organism. That's all about the eukaryotic cell. So we have discussed about observation of cell under the microscope, different method used to prepare slide for viewing, dry mount, wet mount, strain mount and smear. We have discussed about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Thank you, children.